Chasalo High Court Karibo Haste ni Dalbidal Hangkhor Bwkhakste Darbar Nogo Khorang Lok Adalat Achalo Bebagai Kaidokchidok Chasalo 11,346 case Raja Khoragol ni Darbar no kitenge Khorang Lok Adalat ni Dalbidal bench berai naikha Tripura High Court ni Kerongda gifang Opores Kumar Singh Segango Zora Khajak Tongmani Haike Chasalo Haste ni Dalbidal Hangkhor Bwkhakste Darbar Nogo Khorang Lok Adalat Achalo Bebagai Kaidokchidok Chasalo 11,346 case Aboni Bishingo Sekangni case tongo 5,070 Darbar Nogo Busthumjagai Tongmani case tongo 6,276 Loan ni case tongo 4,393 Accident case tongo 292 Consumer Forum ni case tongo 8 BSNL ni bill no tui case tongo 677 Negotiable Criminal Dispute case tongo 5,576 Nog no khungte bihik bus haikak laimani case tongo 219 Check bouncing money case tongo 97 Civil case tongo 38 Defamation case tongo 21 Te jaga sompoti ni case tongo 12 Achalo High Court buskango ba Achukrwjakha Lok Adalat ni kaisa bench aro kaicharchi case ti sajagmani koktuma yang te khaksa phaising Agartala Court Complex Achukrwjakha kaichi sa bench Raja Khoragol ni Darbar no kitingai khlaijak Lok Adalat ni Dalbidal bench berai naikha Tripura High Court ni Kerongda gifang Opores Kumar Singh
Such a Lok Adalat help in settling black bloc cases.
Lok Adalat or alternative dispute resolution mechanism आज के डेट में today is a very successful method of settling disputes beyond the regular courts because the court's pendency are huge and not all cases need to go through the channel of regular judgment and then appeal and revision and up to the highest court. So through this ADR mechanism, whether it is Lok Adalat or mediation, other means judicial settlement, national Lok Adalat, the cases are settled with the consent of the parties and it reduces the burden of the regular courts, and secondly the parties are satisfied that they do not go higher in appeal or revision, etc. And their energies are concentrated in doing their own jobs. Somebody is a teacher, somebody is a doctor, somebody a businessman. Why should everyone keep running to the courts? If their matter is settled through amicable means, then they will do their job. They will do their job sincerely, and that will contribute to the overall growth of our society and our country and our state. So that is why this ADR mechanism is something which has come to stay, and it is getting more and more successful. In fact, in the last 2 years, during the NALSA has been spearheading this and record-breaking performance every time. You know that. Pre-litigation cases, pending litigation cases. So this is a very vibrant method of settling disputes where party go back happily. Both there is win-win situation.
Without spending any money.
And there is an award which becomes final. So there is no subjection to appeal, etc. It's very successful.
Abu haike Lok Adalat Klaimani by Darbar Nog ni Sakawo, Poza Kisao, te Khang ni Bwkhak no Hangkukmani Phayo ni Bwkhaka, Tripura High Court ni Kerongda gifang Opores Kumar Singh. Raja Khoragol ni Simi Pronob ni Kokthum, Chini Khorang.